What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, we'll show you step by step how to connect your TikTok pixel into your GoHighLevel funnel or website. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our TikTok ads manager. So if you don't know how to get to this page, simply Google TikTok ads manager. Now what do we need to do here is we need to click on tools and then click on events, and over here we'll be able to see all of our existing pixels or create a new one. So let's go ahead and create a new one by clicking this plus icon. Now you want to go ahead and select web events because we're going to track the data on our website. So let's select this and hit next. Now over here you want to go ahead and type in your URL. So I'll do my website and hit next. Now here you have three options to connect your pixel. The first one is with a tag manager, which TikTok is actually recommending with. Then you have partner integration and manual setup. Now because we use GoHighLevel, then we're going to select manual setup. You can connect it using the tag manager, but I can say that is way more complex. And if you're like myself and you don't want to be too technical and just have your pixel installed and firing properly, then go ahead and simply select manual setup and we'll hit next. Now over here you have three options, and again TikTok recommends to go with TikTok pixel plus events API. Now the problem is that GoHighLevel not yet supporting the conversion API of TikTok. So the time that I'm recording this video, this is still not an option for us. So we'll go ahead and select the TikTok pixel alone and then hit next. Now here we're simply going to name our pixel. Let's do YouTube demo and hit create. All right, so now our pixel have been created and we need to go ahead and install it on our funnel. So let's go ahead and copy this code over here, click copy. And now what we need to do is to go to GoHighLevel and click on sites. And then you need to choose either a website or a funnel that you want to install the pixel code on. So I'll be using this funnel over here for getting a copy of my two-step funnel. Now keep in mind that I do have two pages over here, which the first one is an opt-in page and the second one is a thank you page. And the main reason why I've created the thank you page is to be able to track the data that I want with different tracking codes. That includes TikTok. So if you currently don't have a thank you page, I highly recommend you to have for all of your websites funnels, because this will allow you to get more accurate data and be able to track the events that you want. So let's go ahead and click on settings, and now where it says heading tracking code, this is where we need to paste our TikTok pixel code. Now if you do have an existing codes like myself, simply scroll down till the bottom and just create a little bit more space and then go ahead and paste the TikTok pixel code. Don't forget to click on the save button to make sure that we save our changes. So click save. Now going back to the TikTok setup page just over here, we can go ahead and scroll down, and here it says step 2 is to install the code in your header. So we already did that. And the third step is going to be using their Chrome extension to make sure everything is firing properly. So let's go ahead and click on install pixel helper. It will take you to the Chrome extension page. So simply go ahead and install it. Now let's go ahead and click next, and over here you will be configuring your pixel and the way that we'll be tracking the data. We will be enabling the automatic advanced matching like TikTok recommends to. Then you can go ahead and turn this one on as well, which is automatic event setup. Essentially TikTok algorithm will try to pick up different events on your website and create matching events for it. If you don't want to have this feature, you don't have to turn this one on, but for the most part you can simply turn this one on, and if you want you can always turn it off later on. Let's move forward and hit next. All right, so what we need to do over here is we want to go ahead and paste our funnel or website URL, and then we want to go ahead and click on launch event builder. And as you can see over here, we have this small box opened up over here. It's very similar to Facebook event setup tool. Now essentially you have two options, either tracking a URL or tracking a button. So let's say I want to track this button over here. What I will do is I click on add event and button clicks, and then I can go ahead and select this button over here, and I can attach an event when someone clicks on this button. I personally generate leads, so I don't really care about people clicking on different buttons. Let's say if you do sell physical products and you want to track add to cart buttons, you can. But if you're like myself and you want to generate leads, so essentially you want just to be tracking the actual leads. So to be able to do so, we need to track the thank you page that we have created in our funnel. So let's go back to our funnel and click on the thank you page over here, and let's go ahead and copy the thank you page URL, and we'll go back to TikTok Events Manager. You want to hit disconnect over here, and you want to paste the new URL here of the thank you page, and then you want to relaunch the event builder. All right, and now what we want to do is to click on events again, and we want to click on URL visits and hit next. Here we'll be choosing the type of event. So in TikTok it's a little bit different, so they have submit form instead of leads. So simply choose submit form, and over here you want to go ahead and paste the thank you page URL again. Now make sure that this URL over here actually matches the thank you page, because I do know that on GoHighLevel you might have different thank you page. So if we'll go back to our funnel over here, you also can have a thank you page URL based over here. So if that actually your thank you page URL, so make sure you change that and paste it right over here. Now in the value section over here, you want to go ahead and select don't include value if you are like myself and you generate leads, because we actually don't have any value on the page. So select that and hit confirm. All right, and now every time that someone is going to fill out our form and get to this thank you page, the submit form will fire and report back to our TikTok ads manager. Now let's go ahead and actually test our pixel connection just to make sure everything is working properly. So we'll go ahead and click on finish setup, click exit now, and over here we're going to select next and click on finish, and I will go ahead and open up our funnel page. And as you can see over here with the TikTok pixel helper, it actually fires page view. So that is exactly what we want. Now let's go ahead and fill out the information over here and get to the thank you page and make sure that the submit form is actually firing. So let's do Sasha test, and we'll do Sasha test, consent, get a free copy, and I will click on the pixel helper again, and as you can see we have submit form right over here. Now if you do want to get a free copy of my two-step funnel that has generated hundreds of thousands of leads for myself and my clients, then go ahead and check out the link in the description. Check out some of my other videos just over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next one, peace.